Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American Best Pics and Videos app. All you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Best Pics and Videos, just click on it here or just click on search. Down here add American Best Pics and Videos app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, click here on OK here. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for American Space Pics and Videos. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.